Nowadays, it is so rare to find a fully finished and fully gated house and lot here in Butuan City. What more can you ask for if you acquire this 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath house? Tara, let's have a quick house tour. For inquiries about the property, do message me. I'm Justin Enriquez of DQT Philippines. Thank you for watching.